In today's video, I am going to teach you how to spawn fireworks using commands in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. Start by opening Minecraft Java Edition on your computer. From the main menu, either create a new world or open a world that you already use. Make sure you are fully loaded into the game before moving on to the next step. You need to be inside your world so the command can be entered correctly. Once your world has finished loading, look at your keyboard and press the T key. This opens the in-game chat window. The chat bar is where you can type commands directly into Minecraft. If the chat does not open, make sure your game window is active and that your keyboard input is going to the game. After the chat window appears, type this command exactly as shown. /give space at s space Minecraft : firework _ rocket. Written normally, the command is /give at s Minecraft firework rocket. This command tells Minecraft to give the nearest player, which is you, one firework rocket item. Take a moment to check that the spelling is correct before you send the command. The / at the beginning is important. The @ symbol and the letter sus are also important because that part tells the game to target your own player. The item name must also be typed correctly, including the colon and the underscore. If any part is missing or typed incorrectly, the command may not work. When the command looks correct, press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Minecraft will process the command and place a firework rocket into your inventory. You may also see a confirmation message in the chat showing that the item was given successfully. Now open your inventory or check your hotbar to confirm that the firework rocket has been added. If you want to use it right away, move it into an empty hotbar slot and select it. From there, you can launch it as you normally would in the game. If the command does not work, make sure commands are enabled in your world. In some worlds, especially survival worlds, cheats may need to be turned on before commands can be used. Once commands are available, enter the same line again and it should work normally. That is the full process. Open Minecraft Java, enter your world, press T, type /give at s Minecraft firework rocket, and press enter. That covers everything you need to know.